Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng San Miguel Bearmen ang Terra Firma Jeep 106-88. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jonmar Fajardo sa likod na kanang 21 points, 19 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Terra Firma Jeep, top performer si Mark Nonoy sa likod na kanang 14 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist. Nag-ambag naman si Torin Jones ng 24 points, 13 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Seje Perez 16 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals. Marcio Lasater 6 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists at 4 steals. Chris Ross 2 rebounds at 1 assist. Jonmar Fajardo 21 points, 19 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Nagtala naman ng 12 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal si Wami Chungson. Troliano 10 points at 3 rebounds. Chris Rosales 6 points at 2 assists. Rodney Brondial 4 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist. Tautua 4 points, 2 rebounds. Kahilig 3 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Jericho Cross 1 assist. Para naman sa natalong Terra Firma Jeep, humakot si Brandon Edwards ng 18 points, 18 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 blocks. Vic Manuel 12 points, 4 rebounds. Aljon Milicio 7 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Katapusan 6 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists. Brent Paraiso 1 rebound, 3 assists at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Mark Donoy ng 14 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist. Louis Sangalang 11 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist. Stanley Pringle 11 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Hanapi 5 points at 1 assist. Kevin Ferrer 4 points, 3 rebounds. Hernandez 1 rebound at 1 assist. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan din ng Barangay Ginebra ang Phoenix Fuel Masters 94-72. Tinanghal na best player of the game si RJ Abarientos sa likod ng kanang 12 points, 5 rebounds at 6 assists. Para naman sa natalong Phoenix Fuel Masters, top performer si James Tofen sa likod ng kanang 15 points at 2 steals. Nag-ambag naman si Justin Brownlee ng 10 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists at 2 steals. Scottie Thompson 17 points, 6 rebounds at 2 steals. Japit Aguilar 16 points, 6 rebounds. Troy Rosario 14 points. Stephen Holt 5 points. Nag-ambag din si Ralph Ko ng 8 points. Ahan Misi 5 points. Pinto 5 points. Mariano 2 points. Abarientos 12 points. Para naman sa natalong Phoenix Fuel Masters, Donovan Smith 20 points, 15 rebounds. Tofen 15 points. Perkins 10 points. Tyler Tio 7 points. Balungay 7 points. Nag-ambag din si Rivero ng 4 points. Manganti 4 points. Virano 3 points. Salado 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 13, 2024. Northport Batangper 5 wins 0 loss. Barangay Ginebra 2 wins 0 loss. Eastern Hong Kong 4 wins 1 loss. Meralco Bolts 3 wins 1 loss. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 2 wins 1 loss. Enlix Road Warriors 3 wins 2 losses. Converse Fiber Xers 2 wins 2 losses. San Miguel Bearmen 2 wins 2 losses. TNT Trupang Giga 1 win 2 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 1 win 3 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win 3 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 0 win 4 losses. Terra Firma Jeep 0 win 5 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ng December 15, 2024 na gaganapin sa Inaris Center, Antipolo. Sa first game, maghaharap ang San Miguel Bearmen at Blackwater Bossing alas 5 ng hapon. At sa main game, maglalaban ang Eastern Hong Kong at Barangay Ginebra alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.